What's up, guys? Today was a birthday. Alright, okay. And right now, I'm gonna show you my Rubik's Cube. I show you my Rubik's Cube. I was trying to practice, and also I was trying to practice making those color patterns, making right. I just need to keep trying on my Rubik's Cube. Sometimes I do. And also, I make something that is awesome. Awesome. I got to make it like I'm trying to do it and also making it right. Yeah, I'm trying making it like this. I'm trying to make it look like this. I'm getting close, making the right size. Got the right ones, alright? I try and make it, and then I'll see you later. Maybe not later. Bye!